Students, and welcome to the week 18 quiz. This is a shorter quiz than you might be used to. There's only 4 questions, 2 points each, for a total of 8 points for the quiz. Question number 1. Which best describes the reasons people chose to settle in the West in the late 1800s? An interest in the nature out west, a desire to reduce the Native American population, a severe economic depression in the East, the desire to start a new life and seek fortunes. Question 2. Congress passed blank, which provided free or cheap land out west, and it led to the rapid settlement of the Great Plains. The Transcontinental Railroad Act, the Homestead Act of 1862, the Native American Relocation Act, or the Forest Reserve Act. Which best describes what life was like for farmers on the plains? Very hard work, long days, crop failures, severe weather, possibility of losing the farm. Crop failures, 8-hour work days, moderately hard work, very few unexpected setbacks. Many unexpected problems, fairly easy work, mostly successful harvests. The last option, bountiful harvests, pleasant weather year-round, very few setbacks, short work days. Question number 4. Which of the following are names of conflicts where Native Americans were massacred by U.S. soldiers? Broken Arrow and Wooden Grove, Red Cloud and Fort Laramie, Wounded Knee and Sand Creek, Cracked Timber and Cherry Grove. When you're done, please click Submit, and once you click Submit, you should see your responses appear on the screen. Review your quiz and see how you did. If you need to take it again, please review by using class recordings and whiteboards, and go back in and attempt it again.